All right, we're at this parking garage in Evanston here. This is for This is for a tower right next to it. Man, it is cold right now. I didn't even realize this was here until I walked by and I saw this, because I kind of walked in like this corner I'd never gone through before. You can see my breath, it's all cold. That door operator does not sound good. Oh man. Look, you can see out here. There's Chase Tower. That's the apartment building this garage is for. Was not expecting this. Otis phone. The Park, apparently is what this place is called. The Park in garage, more like. You know, I guess for being left out in the cold, this thing is not in terrible shape. This is a massive garage for this complex. Uh-oh. Hope I don't get prosecuted. Rip. And I guess that's the building right there, but look. This is where this opens up into. This little back alley. Who even knew this was here? That's all.